Hello there, TEDxBocaRaton friends and volunteers. I wanted to say hello personally and thank you so much for being a volunteer for TEDx this year. We would love for you to help spread the word about our amazing event coming up October 26th. We are in crunch time, guys. We have less than a month until our big event and an amazing lineup of speakers. We are reaching out to ask you if you can create a video like this, share it on your platforms, so Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or you can just share links to TEDxBocaRaton.com. There's lots of great content on there, lots of great content on our Facebook channels. So we're just asking you to chip in and spread the word. We have a bunch of tickets that are always purchased at the last minute, and we really need help getting the word out. So FAUevents.com is where you go. Please help us spread the word, and we can't wait to see you October 26th. Have a great day, everyone.